What day is it? Oh, it's Christmas! It's Christmas morning. Let's get into our outfits. Festive. Boom, 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 boom. Oh wait. Oh, got it. Ooh, it's time to love you some presents over here. Come in, LMX. Welcome to my laboratory. Smile. Yep, that's perfect. Yeah, I got it. It looks awesome. First, we gotta drink some champagne. It's a GTA tradition to drink some champagne before you go outside. There's one over there on the other side, if you want some. Drinking. Ooh, I forgot to do first person. Oh yeah. Snowball fight! I surrender! I surrender! I surrender!
This is my favorite part, right here. Kobe!
Holy crap! I think that was too much, bro. That was a little bit too much. I thought we were throwing snowballs, not grenades. Whippy! Here we go! Shh, there's a person. There's a person. Let's go kill it. Let's go kill it. Snowball fight! Why is it throwing backward? Oh shit. You see that crate? There's a crate coming. Oh, you just... No! Anybody else have a mic? There is cakes just left. I'm gonna cry now. I don't want to live on this planet anymore. We have one more thing to accomplish during Christmas. A Christmas car. I have absolutely no money. Fuck. I heard a rumor that if you jump off a high building, you can land softly into that snow. Ready? Ready? Yep, there wasn't enough snow. That's the problem. We needed more snow.
Kobe!
Yeah, you see? Oh. Hello. 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 Hello.
Surprise, motherfucker!
Oh, fuck! Let's go see if Santa left me any presents. Maybe it's on the other side. No presents? How could this be? I was a good boy. Oh my gosh, I hate driving drunk. Why did I do this?
Kobe!
Hey, why are you killing me? I'm just throwing snowballs. Holy shit, is there a shockwave? What the fuck? Holy crap, my screen's glitching out so much. What the fuck is happening? Was that an earthquake? That'll be sick if that was an earthquake. Don't kill me! I love you, son! Don't kill me! Jeffrey, your mom always loved you. By the way, you're adopted. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for watching my Christmas special. At the bottom, you'll see my 3 previous videos. Please like and enjoy. The top right corner, you'll see my channel, Crazy Club. In the top left corner, you'll see my shout out. So shout out to Ellis, Aldridge. And once again,
Merry Christmas, you filthy animal.